very glueless. I literally could lift her up and put it right back down. Look at that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Very, very pretty. And look at that, y'all. Simple, straight to the point. If you want to go ahead and do like a middle part, you can. The lace is absolutely gorgeous. Again, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. Alright y'all, so we're back today with another hair video. Shout out to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video, y'all. Simple, cute, straight to the point. So today's hair video is going to be a same day install. I literally just took this wig out the pack. Tag is still on and everything, as you guys can see. The cap construction is pretty, guys. It has a nice little clasp bra strap, a little area in the back of this unit. So you can go ahead and make it tight as possible. It has 3 latches on it. And the unit also comes with an adjustable strap as well too. So you just go ahead and put that adjustable strap in the unit. This is very pretty, y'all. It's a nice straight texture, very silky, straight, and buttery soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a very simple install with this. Again, it is very nice. Look at that amount of parting space you get on this unit. It's a nice cap construction, and the lace is nice and thin, and is also pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So it is pretty much ready to install. We're just gonna tweak it a little bit, do a little slant into it, make sure we straighten it out, make sure it's sleeky, and that's gonna be that. So again, straight out the box, ready to go wear wig, y'all. It's very, very nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and spray the wig cap that I have on. I'm gonna spray him like right about here so I can get me a little bit of a mask up. I know some of you guys do it on the bottom of the wig, but I'd rather just do it like this so that I don't stain the wig too much. So I'm just gonna spray that side just because I know that this is a side part. And I'm gonna put it on right now just to show you guys like what it's giving. So we're just gonna do a straight base, what it's giving. You see that? Oh, and the lace is pretty, nice. Okay, now obviously I'm gonna have to do a couple of things, you know, flatten her out at the top, make her look sleeky, whatever. But the lace, absolutely stunning. Now they did pre-cut this one, but I like the fact that they gave a little bit of extra lace. So all I'm gonna do is grab my scissors and trim this part off because we don't want that extraness. And you guys can see they left a nice little fluffy baby hair in here, which I think is super cute. So they did give you like a nice little fluffy baby hair on the side right here, which is super, super cute. Makes the wig just easy to put on. And look at that. Style done. So let me go ahead and grab some scissors. We're gonna cut the lace off, just a little bit of this lace off, and then we're just gonna do some slight, you know, things to it. Straighten it. Flatten it at the top so it could be a little bit sleeker, but look at that lace. Y'all see that? Alright guys, so I did go ahead and cut a little bit of the lace off in the front so you guys can see it's nice and buttery in the front. Now the baby hairs are a little bit on the extra side, so I might go ahead and just kind of like tweeze them a little bit just to soften it out a lot. I don't really want them to touch my eyebrows. I ain't into that, so I'll probably do that. But I want to focus on getting this top part to be a little bit more flatter, just to give it a nice kind of like sleek look. So we're going to put our hot comb all the way up. I have mine up to 450 degrees, and we're literally just going to press it into that lace. Another thing I like to do is add hairspray on it while I'm doing it because the hairspray will mold it down really, really well. So you want to just make sure you get that part nice and flat. Flat as possible. Flatter than flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Bellatique's Professional Lace Melting Spray. Let me tell you, I use this as a hairspray as well. I don't know if y'all have this at your local beauty supply store, but this is so fucking good. Like, it really gets that wig to lay flat, honey, okay? So I really, really do like that. So and it's actually cheaper than like the Ebens and stuff like that. I have this Eben one that's a super holding spray, 24 hour. It's alright. Like it does alright. But this, definitely check out your beauty supply store. This, the black one, and this is my first time using the white one. It's so strong. It's like crazy strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that down again, trying to get it nice and flat. Because I feel like, you know, when you get it out the package, it's definitely going to give you like a little bit of a high top head. So you want to make sure you go ahead and flatten that out. I actually cut my hair off again, so I have like a really short cut now. Like my hair is probably like this long, so my wigs are going to naturally lay flat right now. I'm trying to go back and grow my hair back, start from the beginning again. Hopefully by the summertime I got like a mini fro, like a mini fro, so then I can start doing like little curl styles on my little short head. Because I need to just accept the fact that I got a big forehead, you know what I mean? I just need to accept that fact and just, you know, step into my grown woman, okay? So there you guys go. I got it. See how flat that is? That's how we want it, baby, okay? We want it flat like that, and go ahead and run that hairspray up at the top to really get it flat, okay? We want it flat. So I went ahead and grabbed a little tweezer, and we're just gonna go ahead and tweeze a little bit of this baby hair out. Nothing, we're not gonna take too much off, but I just want to take a good amount off so that I can have like a little bit like of a less dense baby hair. And I'm also gonna pull some of the hair from this side as well too. Again, this is an extra step that I'm doing, but again, it's still same day install, so easy. You just, you know, just popping a couple of the hairs loose over here so that it's not so thick in this area. And I have one of like those little pointy tweezers, so it kind of like really takes the hair off really quickly because it's such a small tweezer. So just a little cleanup job right here. Nothing crazy, never doing too much, always doing enough. So I think that's perfect. I think that's enough. I don't need too many baby hairs. I don't want that much. So, and you can see right there, automatically it's already thinned out. So that's all I wanted to do. I'm gonna use my hot comb just to get this part right here to, you know, go this way a little bit. So then you got that baby hair. There you go. Y'all see what I was working with? Do y'all see what I was doing? So yeah, love it, y'all. Love it. So I'm just gonna press that, kind of like you're pushing the baby hair into the hairline, so then it comes off more natural looking instead of it just being kind of like that. Y'all feel me? So you're just gonna press the hairline this way. Y'all see how that came out? Trust me. It makes a huge difference in that little baby hair swig. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my little baby hair brush, and I'm gonna just fold the hair, the baby hairs into it like that. It gives it more of a natural effect. So now we can go ahead and straighten it. It is a silky straight texture. You guys know I die for a silky straight texture here and there. I do love it. It has a nice little essence of a bounce to it, or like a flow to it, like a nice light luster to it. So it definitely looks really good in the winter seasons. It just looks so nice. And she's easy to straighten too, as you guys can see, very easy to straighten. And for the flyaways, you already know, use that hairspray. The wax stick on silky straight hair is gonna leave it super oily, and I don't like that look, so I just use hairspray to get the flyaways to kind of like dim down. So I would just, you know, use the hairspray in the front like this, and then push my hand down on it like that. And then flyaways are gone. And get a super strong hairspray too. Like I said, the Bellatiques. So this is what it looks like straight on this side. Again, I might have to do me a little cut-a-rooney right here, which is fine. I'm just gonna take this and just snip a little bit of this baby hair down. Just a little snip of this baby hair. And then there you go. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like. Again, very simple and straight to the point. I'm telling you guys, just me popping a little bit of that hair off and kind of like pushing this back just lifted this wig up so much. I absolutely love it like this. And again, this is a nice silky straight texture, very pretty. And again, the unit is very glueless, guys. Let me show y'all. Very glueless. I literally could lift her up and put it right back down. Look at that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. She's a very nice wig. And again, you just got to do a couple of things to it. You want to really make sure that you get the hair to lay down very flat. So you want to make sure you put a lot of work into the top of the wig, and I felt like I did a good job. Again, I'm actually like My hair is super short right now, so obviously mine is gonna lay flat, flat, flat. But y'all know, if you've been wearing wigs for years, or even if you're somebody that's new to wearing wigs, all you gotta do is just put some nice little cornrows in your hair and you're good to go. This unit is very pretty, guys. The length is absolutely stunning. It is 24 inches long. I had to back up to show you guys the length a little bit, but baby, she is long and very pretty. Now, the density on this unit is a natural density, but I definitely kind of feel like it's probably between 150 and 180% density. I might even just say it's 180% density, just because it definitely does have a nice little, you know, amount to it, and you don't see any gaping in the back. That's your first time when you know it's a good quality hair, good density hair. There's no gaps in the back right here, which I absolutely love. Again, very, very pretty. If you want to, you can go ahead and part this a different way. So if you want to go ahead and do like a middle part, you can. The lace is absolutely gorgeous. Again, pre-plucked, pre-bleach, pre-everything. So all you're doing is just styling your preference. But I definitely, you know, a side part, honey, side part eats it up all the time. So I'm happy that they did this in the side part. A lot of the companies will send you the wig in a middle part. And a middle part hairstyle on straight hair is cool, whatever. But a side part eats it up, honey. She's very, very cute. And again, I used my Bellatiques to kind of help with the flyaways. If you want to go ahead and use a wax stick, you can. But again, with this texture, I feel like the wax stick just makes the hair look super greasy. So I want my hair to have like a nice little luster to it. So I keep it just like this. Very, very pretty. And look at that, y'all. Simple, straight to the point. You cannot beat this. Shout out to Luvmehair company for sponsoring today's video. If you're looking for a straight unit for the season, this is definitely a nice one. It's a lot of parting space, a good amount of parting space, very deep parting space as well, as you guys can tell. This parting space goes back, honey, okay? So very nice, sleek texture, very nice, soft texture, very minimal shedding with this unit, which is another thing I like. And I like the fact that it already came with the baby hairs, and that even if you go ahead and decide to pull this hair back, the way the tracks are lined up right here is very nice, so you can't see anything. So you can definitely go ahead and tuck this behind your ear if you want to do like a little cute posh style with this as well too. So there are options with this unit. Whatever you want to do with it, you can. I absolutely love this one. Again, shout out to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video, guys. Happy holidays to everyone. I will leave all the links down below and coupon codes so you guys can go ahead and shop this unit on their website and the other units that they have to offer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the later one.